Hello, this is the eSweet Counter Penguins title, which helps children learn their halves and doubles up to 30. As you can see, there's a variety of activities here, so you've got half time, double time, free time, finding half a number, and so on. But I'll show you half time A first. So the idea is you have to decide which number is half of which number here. So is it 5, 8 or 12? I think it's 5, so I'll put 5 up here, and obviously I've got it right, and then it just carries on. So we'll go back to the menu, and then we've got the B activity, which is a little bit more challenging because you have all of the numbers which have to be halved, and so you have to decide which penguins here are half of the numbers up here. So in this case, 10, what's half of 10? It's 5, so you put 5 up there. What's half of 6? It's 3, so you find a penguin with 3 in it and put it there, and so on. Okay, so we'll go back to the menu, and double time works in a very similar way, but you just have to double the number on the left. So what's double 6? Is it 12, 10 or 14? If you think it's 12, you just put 12 there. Now if you make a mistake, it's very straightforward, because all that happens is that it just goes back like so, and then you just put the correct answer in the correct position. And likewise with half time, there's a B activity which is just a little bit more challenging. Then free time 1. The idea is you can put the halves and make halves and doubles of your own choosing. So for instance, you can put 2 there, and then what's double 2 is 4, so you place 4 there, press enter, obviously that's correct. And then you can say put 3 there and decide, right, what's put 6 there, sorry, and then decide what's half of 6. It's 3, so you place 3 there, press enter, and again that's correct. So it can be a half or a double. And as you can see with this one, it's up to 10, but with this activity it goes up to 20, this one here goes up to 30, so they're a bit more challenging as they go on. With finding half a number, the idea is that you drag half the number of penguins into this box here. So you've got 4 penguins here, so you just drag 2 over here and press enter, and that's correct. And then there's a few more similar activities here, like so. So we go back to the menu, and we go into color half. So the idea is you can select any of these colors here, like blue, and just color in half of them. So you've got 4, what's half of 4? That's 2, so we just color in 2 boxes, press enter, and obviously that's correct. And then it just moves on to the next one, which is 8, so half of 8 is 4, so let's select yellow, and we can color any 4 of these, like so, and then that just carries on to the next one and next one and so on. So with the number before and after, this is quite easy. So you've got 7 in the middle, what comes before 7, and then what comes after 7. So 6 comes before 7, so it goes on the left. 8 comes after 7, so it goes on the right. And then you have a sequence of similar activities. So we go back to the menu, and like with some of these activities here, you've got a more challenging B activity where you have to put all the numbers at the bottom into the correct positions. And then we'll go into half of a number. So the idea is you just put the numbers in at the bottom into the correct places. So half of 2 equals 1, so you put number 1 over here. Half of 4 equals 2, so that goes there, and so on. Obviously these are in order, so you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. But if you go into half of a number 2, which is this one here, they're mixed around a bit, so it's not in sequential order. And then with double your number, it's a very similar idea, but you just double the numbers. So 1 plus 1 is obviously double 1, so that's 2. 2 2's is 4. 3 3's is 9. No, sorry, 3 plus 3 equals 6, sorry. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And so on. Again, these are in order. So with W number 2, they've just been mixed up again, so as with the previous activity. Okay, so we go back to the menu, and that's basically penguins, basically a brief introduction to penguins.